Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you a quick look at my seed starting area. This is a metal rack, storage rack, whatever you want to call it, that I use to start my seed. The lights I use are shop lights, just so you know if anyone is curious. And these are the seedlings that we potted up about 4 days ago. And they're already producing their true leaves. They have 2 true leaves. Almost all of them have that. So you see how much they started growing once they were able to get their own space. So they're pretty much going to stay in here until they're ready to go outside in about, I want to say 2 to 3 weeks. Okay. And these are the peppers that I potted up about a week and a half ago that you guys, you watch me pot them up. I'll have the information down below on all these seedlings that I potted up. These are now starts. Well, not starts. We're still seedlings because we're inside. But once they get hardened off, which is the process of bringing them in and out and getting them acclimated to outside temperatures, they will be officially called starts. Okay, starts are basically starter plants that you put into your garden. All right, but yeah, wanted to show you guys how the little brassicas are doing. And I also wanted to thank you guys for the views on those videos and the comments. I truly appreciate it, and I'm glad that these videos are helping you become more self-sufficient, teaching you how to grow your own food. And I hope we can continue on this journey and getting you started on your food growing journey. See you soon in another video. Bye guys.